Hello friends, I'm Ehsan here from eBangalore Property. I'm going to show you today one independent building located off Banagatta Road in a BDA layout. This building is built on 30 by 40 west facing plot. It was built 1 year ago. The video was taken long back during construction stage. Right now the building is fully occupied. So we are looking at a typical floor, first floor, front facing 2 BHK unit. This building has totally 7 houses. Ground floor half portion as much as this 2 BHK is parking space, and there is a 1 BHK behind. I will show you the 1 BHK model also. So this is a 2 BHK house. You can see the TV unit, puja room, as puja cabinet, then this is a fridge point, and this is the kitchen in the southeast corner. Individual units also have been planned as per Vastu. And this is a west facing plot. The entrance of the houses, all the houses is north facing. Granite flooring throughout the house. And this is the first bedroom with wardrobes. So each floor, 1 2 BHK and 1 BHK separate 2 houses are there. Central staircase. This is the first bedroom with wardrobes, dressing table, mirror, loft, storage and wardrobe. And it is a semi-furnished deal as all the tenants are living already in the building. You get the solar water heater, light, fans, geysers, curtain rods, wardrobes, kitchen cabinets, TV unit, everything as part of the deal. And this is the master bedroom with attached bathroom. There is an attached bathroom also which I have not shown on the left side. Full wall-to-wall wardrobes. And this is the central common bathroom. Attached bathroom is also similar to this. Waterproof PVC door. Hindware brand of bathroom fittings. Hand wash sink, shower, toilet, geyser and solar water heater is also there. So exactly like this, totally 3 units are there in the building. Even the safety grill is also included. Safety grill, covered enclosures for all the houses. This is the 1 BHK unit on the back side. Main door of all the houses is solid teakwood doors. Other doors are honne and salwood. This is the 1 BHK unit. So exactly like this, totally 4 houses are there. Ground, first, second and third floor. Whereas 2 BHK is there on the first, second and third floor. Totally 7 units. So this has hall, as you can see, hall, TV unit, puja cabinet, kitchen in the southeast corner, left side that is for fridge. This is a 1 year old property. This is a provision for washing machine, common bathroom. The property has its own borewell and it is a BDA property with approved plan. Constructed as per the plan, ground plus 3 floors only, no extra construction. This is the bedroom of the 1 BHK unit with wardrobes. Storage sump, overhead tank is there. Clear titles, BDA property. Good for investment, rental income purpose. So this is the ground floor portion. Ground floor area. You can see parking, separate BESCOM connection meters, and there is a 1 BHK unit behind. Central staircase with stainless steel railing. And this is same as what you have seen above. So this is the lower priced property what we have on 30 by 40 plot. Similar to this, other options are also available. Corner options are there, with lift options are there. East facing options are also there. If you are looking at east facing also, I have similar rental income multi-unit properties. After the lockdown, you can plan a site visit if you are looking for investment in the BDA properties. Thank you for watching this video and do subscribe our channel for latest properties.